Hello, Brian here, Spontaneous Creations. What I got in front of you is a 18 by 18 inch canvas. I have the larger tulip cup that my brother designed. It's got the slick 6 slot or containers in the bottom, or the inside, however you want to call that. Holds 5 ounces of paint in these 6 different chambers. It's 5 ounces total. Colors I'm using: Proj Posse Paints Lemon Lime. This is Creative Inspirations Cad Orange Hue, Creative Inspirations Scarlet Lake, Creative Inspirations Light Green, and Creative Inspirations Cerulean Blue. I have some Creative Inspirations Lamp Black and Creative Inspirations Titanium White. And we are going to put a little bit of paint in each one of these containers, in each one of these holes here, and flip it, and then do a petal pour and see what happens. Anyway, I'm going to start with a little bit of the lemon lime in each container. A little bit of orange. Now all these paints do have silicone in them. It's 12 ounces of paint mixed up with 9 drops of treadmill silicone in them. So I will be getting some cells. I'm going to do a black base. I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch it though. I'm going to put you on pause for a second and be right back. I'm back. Black base. I do got a light that I turned off, because with black base in this camera, it totally washes you guys out. But I'll show you real quick. See that? We don't want that. So once I get some color on here, I'll be able to turn that light back on and you'll see better. But here's my split cup thing, and we're gonna flip it right into the center, right in the right spot, all in one motion. Boom. Hey, that worked out. We got paint coming out there. I am gonna do a squirt of white on here. Hey, that's pretty close to center too, I think. I know you guys couldn't see that. Maybe if I do it this way. The white. And then I'm going to go blue. Big squirt of blue in there. Good size squirt of green in there. And we want some red. And we want some orange. And then we want some of this lemon lime. Some lemon lime in there. A good squirt of that. Put a bunch of that on there. Why? Because I'm crazy. And then I'm going to go with the white on top of that. And then I'm going to do a little shot of black, just because. Just because. Should I do another white? Yeah, a little bit more white this time. Almost out of white. Yeah, there's going to be enough paint on this. But I'm going to have to stretch, I think. I don't know how much that center's going to pop out. I mean, push this paint out. And now I'm dabbling. Oh, look at the colors. Colors like a child picked them. I don't think I've been this low on white in a very long time. And I know I haven't been this low on white and black in a very long time. It's moved, or let me do this. Just gonna do that. Paint on my fingers. Should I put one more round on there? I don't know why I ask you guys, because even if you said no, I would listen to you. Got a hair in my mouth. Wonder where that came from. We're going to give it a good squirt of this. Let that flow down. Should I try and get some more white in there? Another black, ring of white, ring of black. Okay. Now I don't have it on my spinner. I can't spin it or nothing. So this is going to be some majorly long tilting. Or I'm going to get some wonkies. Alright. Yeah, there's... See what happens. Got a whole handful of paint here. I don't know what to do with. Easiest thing to do now would be just to change gloves. Not that it can matter that, because these gloves are going to get just as dirty. Well, what do you think of that pedal thing in the middle? What am I going to do? Okay, first off, I'm going to pull out this way and then in this way. So, I don't know how interesting that made it, or whether any of that's going to make it after I get done tilting, but we're going to have to see. Ready for some waterfalls of paint? I don't know if I can turn this light on yet or not. Let's see. Nope. Are you okay there? No, I kind of like it without it. Well, I hope it ends up being a decent paint or video. There ain't enough in there to really concern myself with, I guess. Now I'm just kind of procrastinating, watching which way this paint's flowing. Now most of the paint is, there's a large puddle of paint here. So I want to go that way and back straight back to the center before I change direction. Anyway, that's my plan. Let's see what we got. Oh, let's get bottles out of the way and such. Really flowing pretty good right now. Might have came back a little fast there, but it might be alright. You got to control the paint. Don't let that paint control you. See, I did not want to go off the center there, or off the side over there, but it is what it is. Some people would have thought, hey, he should go off that corner. But I'm going to control these paints. I'm going to bring it back to the center like that, and then I'm going to decide which corner goes off first. I really like the cool stuff that has developed in the center there. It's interesting looking. I wish I could get that center to pull out more. Stop holding painty gloves over the center of the painting, Brian. So I want to go this way first, then this way, then that way, and that way last, I think. I'm going to go straight for it. It's messing up those two petals, but hopefully hopefully if I come straight back, I can still end up with something cool. Kind of like this corner over here, like it was meant to be. Can you see that? That corner? I'm debating on leaving that one alone. That solid black mark there, but this one, this has to go. Yeah, I decided I wasn't saving that corner. Well, I think I'm done with this bizarre looking painting that I really like. I don't know whether you guys can really see that center or not. Well, this is going to be a 3 pair of gloves type painting. This needs to go there. And I still have enough paint on there to do it. I'm going to take this light on now. You do have a huge light bar there. Sorry. But see where that puddle is. It has to come this way now. And then back. I like it. I like that painting. That center has so much stuff going on. It's crazy. See if I can bring that up close enough for you to see. Just some crazy stuff going on in there. Let's see if I do this. Get rid of that light bar in the middle there. Now can you see that? That center doing its centery stuff. And I have not hit this with a torch. Sorry, drift around there. There still is a lot of paint on here, but I don't get cracking, so I'm not worried about the amount of paint. It'll dry in 3 or 4 days and it'll be fine. But I'm going to hit it with a torch. Now if this dries this way with these awesome looking cells in the middle here, these kind of bird head looking things and fish tail looking things, fiery lava stuff, I don't know. And it's still got the petals flower look. I'm pretty happy with this. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when I post more. Thanks for watching. DOG out.